Hey guys, can y'all see me? I know I never quite figured this out, but now everything all packed up. I'm leaving tomorrow. Ooh, tomorrow. So, hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. And if you are true here, hey y'all, how y'all doing? So I know I look a mess. Focus, that's not why we're here. I am doing my very last mukbang in my house in Minnesota. This is the very last one. I'm not gonna be talking much. I'm just gonna be eating much. Eating much. Wow. But that's what I'm gonna be doing. I got some water because I ain't got nothing else. And this is a plate. Homemade plate. It's all beat up, y'all. But I'm still finna show you. I have some meatloaf, mashed potatoes, sweet peas, and cornbread. Yes, sir. My sister, hey, Famita, she made it. I don't feel like getting up to get no paper towel. So we gonna open it. Good Lord. Don't want me to have it. So guys, this is my very last mukbang in this house. And what I'm gonna do is gonna be like a 2-part. I'm gonna eat my food, and then I was in the store, you know, where I shouldn't have been because I'm moving. But anyway, focus. I found these. This is Cocoa Puffs popcorn with Cocoa Glaze. Y'all, we finna try these. I got these, and I also got, oh, wait a minute, y'all. This is cinnamon toast crunch. Woo! Popcorn with the cinnadust glaze. Y'all, I don't know who makes these. I don't know who make them. But like a lot of these cereals, I eat plain. I don't really like it with milk. So this for to be a treat. Yes. And then, because why not? I bought these Zaps. What y'all know about Zaps? I don't know nothing about them. I just saw them. This says New Orleans kettle style. This is Cajun dill gator taters. Cajun dill gator taters. I didn't read the directions, or not the instructions. Directions, Lord. Ingredients. Let's make sure ain't no gator in here. I'm sure there's no gator in here. No gator. And it's gluten-free. I can't talk today. We're going to try them. And then also I have these New Orleans style. These are also Zaps. New Orleans kettle style. These are the Voodoo Heats. They might be hot, y'all. So we're going to say our grace. We're going to eat our dinner. And then we're going to try these snacks. Me and you. Yes. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Y'all want me to say it out loud. Lord, please bless the hands that prepared this food. Make it nourishing to my soul, Lord. In your name I pray. Amen. And Lord, you know, while I'm here, I want to thank you. I want to thank you for everything you have done and doing, because I know that you are not done, because I'm a work in progress, Lord. I know. But I want to thank you. I want to thank you for the many blessings that have came my way, Lord. I want to thank you, and I'll thank you tomorrow, and I'll thank you the next day, and I'll thank you, and I'll thank you, and I'll thank you until I have no more breath left in me. Amen. Okay. Okay, famita. I didn't put nothing on it. I just put it on the plate and left. Good. I think the meatloaf still probably kind of cold. I usually will put a little, ketchup on it a little bit if I'm gonna reheat it or whatever. But I ain't got no ketchup, so we just eating it like this. It's good though, so flavorful. Meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and sweet peas. This taking me right back when I was a kid and my mama made this. My sister, my only sister, she's older than me. She made this. It's a lot of stuff my sister cooks, just like my mom. Just like her. It's good for me, though. I knew it was gonna be good, though. It's good. I ain't gonna eat all this. I don't know. Dan, my nephew-in-law, put that big old hunk of meatloaf on my plate. And was finna give me two. Wait, Dan, I don't need all that. I ain't even gonna finish this. I'm trying to eat as much as I can because it's good. But what I don't eat, I'm gonna have to throw it away. So good. If I close my eyes, I could just picture my mom in the kitchen making this meal. And me, when I'm not in there helping or when I get on her nerves, she send me out. I'm sitting on the couch just waiting to bite it, waiting to eat. Well done for me, though. But you knew you had it, even though I asked you to fix my plate, and you did. Like, I'm your baby sister. I don't know, anybody else's stomach do that? You eating, your stomach ain't growled all day. Then you start eating, then your stomach want to make noise. Well, I'm feeding you. There's nothing else I can do but feed you. I'm doing that. But I ain't heard my stomach growl all day. And then I start eating. It's like, You're eating. It's coming. Calm down, sir. This gotta be a dude's stomach. It's gotta be a dude in there. Did y'all hear it? It called me the B word. I'm sure of it. It was like, I know y'all heard it. It's my stomach. He talking back. He probably like, y'all heard it. He like, girl, in about 20 minutes, I know where you finna be. In the bathroom. I haven't had sweet peas in a long time. Ooh, I'm getting full. Okay. I gotta stop eating. Let me have one more there. Right, in the middle of the night, I'm gonna be hungry. But I'm taking all the trash down. No more trash. This gotta go. Mm. 10 out of 10 for me. The 10 out of 10. And next time I see you, better fix my plate. I'm your baby sister. Tell me, you better get up and go and get it. Y'all in my stomach? I'm gonna stop eating. What's this? It's a big old hunk of potato for me though. And the mashed potato. All right. 10 out of 10. Very good. Now we're gonna move it to the side. And now we're gonna try the chips first. Amen. Clean that up. Okay. First, ooh, this says sweet heat. No, we're gonna do the gator taters. I don't know what gator taters is. But I read it. There's no gator in here. Excuse me. This is 150 calories per serving. And it's look, the chips all the way down here. Talking about 2.5 servings per container. My chips, look at all this bag. Chips is right here. That's 2. So I'll be able to have 1 or 2 chips. Oh, Cajun dill gator taters. I smell it. Oh, don't take a deep breath. I smell that dill. So this must be hot. Are they hot? I smell that dill though. Here we go. I wonder how long these been on the shelf. It says it expires August 29th of this year. That means it had to have been on the shelf a long time, right? I don't know, but I don't get it. This ain't nothing but a dill chip that tastes like it's kind of spoiled, you know, stale going. All these chips smell like they going bad. Smell like doodle mints. This voodoo heat, I think it's gonna be hot. Oh. It's nasty. don't like it. Ugh, let's get into something else. This is nasty. Okay. Oh, now I feel the heat on my tongue. It's nasty. They're nasty. They taste nasty. Zaps. I'll zap you right in the garbage. I'm going to try this is popcorn. Oh, it smells so good. Cinnamon Toast Crunch popcorn. That's what they look like. Oh, give me my popcorn. That's good, wow. We might have to come on the plane with me. Get my stomach. So good. 10 out of 10. Now let's try this. And then I'm going to close it out. Smells just like a Cocoa Puff. That smells like a Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It's good. This is good, y'all. I ain't never seen these. Y'all seen these in the store? I had to go get some gas. $4.72 by my house. I got a half a tank. I ain't driving it nowhere. I cleaned it all out. And it ain't gonna come out until the people come to get it to bring it to me in Arizona. Half a tank. It's good. All right. So, very good. They're nasty. These was 2 for $3 and these was 2 for $3. I done waste my $3. Zaps. Need to be zapped off the shelf. Get them things off. I mean, if it's not spoiled, they have a spoiled, you know, like, you know how a potato chip smell when it's going bad. Now you know what I'm talking about. Now I'm talking to y'all with stuff in my teeth. Just focus. We're not here for this. We're here for this nasty stuff that I spent my $3 on. Because I wanted to bring a video for y'all. And y'all got me up here eating doodle mints. Doodle mints and hot doodle. It's nasty. I didn't like it. This one tastes like doodle pickles. And that tastes like hot doodle. And last I checked, I don't like hot doodle. I don't like doodle at all. Zaps. Where's Zaps at? Where they located? Hanover, Pennsylvania. Zaps. Y'all gotta try again. Cause this is nasty. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go 10 out of 10 on the popcorn. A negative 15 out of 10 on these Zaps. Never doing it again. Zaps is disgusting. God, dog, are they nasty. Somebody else might like them, you know. I just don't. It's nasty. Be you, guys. Be the best you that you can be, please. Don't try to be nothing and no one else. It will not work. And I want everybody to succeed. So just be you. And be honest. And be kind. Like, be kind. Give a smile. If somebody's smiling at you, give a smile. Oh, let me tell y'all about yesterday. My godson, who is my nephew, my great nephew, my niece's son, graduate. He graduated. He had his open house. And we were sitting, at the park in the pavilion playing music, whatever. And this woman, I don't know if she was white. I know she wasn't black. I don't know if she was white and Asian, or she had very, very light skin, but she kind of had features of Asian. Anyway, she had her dog, and she obviously was mentally challenged. So she just walked up by the tree. She didn't come up where we were, but my two nieces, they were over there playing with my great niece. She's one years old. They were playing with her, and the lady just walked up and she was just smiling and just blinking and smiling and blinking. I don't scare easy. I won't say I was scared. I was just like aware, like I'm gonna watch you. And so my niece, she looked up, and then she looked over, and we locked eyes, and she just picked up the baby and just came back and sat down. So the lady sat there. She was standing there, and she just smiling and looking and everything. Stuff like that kind of creeps me out a little bit. And I know that the lady I'm sure she was mentally challenged. And so she just seen them playing with the baby, and she didn't say nothing. She didn't even come close to them. She just walked up and was just smiling and looking. And so my niece, I'm not going to say no name, so they can't be like, why you call me a boy? My niece. Was like, you need something? And she's like, no. And she's like, oh, okay. And then she walked off, right? Be kind to people. You never know what somebody is going through. And just your kind words are probably what is going to keep them from doing something stupid. So just be kind to people. But when she left, though, I was like, whew. I was getting creeped out just a little bit, because she just was smiling, and she blinked a lot. Like she blinked way too much, which made me start blinking. I had the blink-itis, like looking at, because I'm trying to keep my eye on her, and she was just blinking and blinking and blinking, and I'm like over there blinking too. We both finna have a seizure. Lord, I was like, oh, Jesus. So I just turned my head, nobody was over there. She was just standing there, and I turned my head and was talking to my niece, and then I looked over, and she was walking off. And it's like, okay, but I say all that to say this: be kind. Be kind to people. There's no need to. I'm 1000% sure that she didn't want to hurt anybody. She just seen kids playing and everything, and she just walked up. She had a dog, and she just walked up and was standing there and just smiling and looking. It's like, just be kind. Like, if that would have been somebody else, they probably would have been like, get out of here. Oh, girl, what are you doing over here? Just blowing everything out of proportion. She wasn't bothering us. So she can stand there. It's a park. We don't own the park, but she just stood there and smiled. I was creeped out just a little bit, and I don't get creeped out, right? But a little bit I was, because she was blinking a lot, and I started blinking. And so I was like, she's trying to make me, have a seizure or something. So I just started talking to my niece. Be kind. Be kind to people, please. Until next time, guys, this is the last video I'm filming in Minnesota in this house. The next video will be a house tour. It will be a house tour, empty house tour, because I don't know when my furniture gonna come, but that's okay. Because I'm gonna be living in temporary housing, but I do have a place. And I will be showing y'all that place in a couple of days. So guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Until next time.